Hello everyone, welcome to another Shopify tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to enable inventory tracking on Shopify. Now this is fairly easy to do, but before we get started, you can get a 3-month free trial for your Shopify store. If you want to get started, you can click the first link down below. Again, 3-month free trial for everyone that's watching this video. So let's get started. So first of all, obviously this is very simple. So I'm just going to be showing you from here. Go to your Shopify admin, go to the products. From the products, you need to click the name of the product that you want to track. So if the product has variants, then click the variant that you want to track. In the inventory section, all you have to do is just check track quantity. What this will do, and obviously if you want to allow customers to purchase the item when it's out of stock, then you can check continue selling when out of stock. And then in the quantity section, enter the quantity information for each location and then click save. Now what this will do is this will basically enable inventory tracking on Shopify, and the continue selling when out of stock checkbox doesn't apply to Shopify POS or POS. Basically, staff can continue selling products when available, inventory reaches 0 and below. POS will warn staff before they sell an item that's not available. So make sure you know that before you actually go and enable inventory tracking or enabling continue selling when out of stock. Yeah, that's pretty much how you can enable inventory tracking on Shopify. Again, if you want to opt in and get a 3-month free trial for your Shopify store, you can click the first link down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.